All right, so for this particular one, sorry, I'm just getting excited. I'm trying to get everything ready. For this particular one, we're being asked to graph this and find the solution set or solution region for the system of inequalities. So I'm just going to plug in the values. But first of all, let me change the colors. So this one is less than, and it is light blue. So I'm going to go light blue, and less than is below the line. So I want the shaded part below the line. And now I just graph that. So I'm going to put 2 times the quantity, 0.5 raised to the x. And everything else I can just delete. Oops. I gotta go this way. Delete, delete, delete. Delete, delete, delete. Delete. Delete, 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 delete. Raised to the x. Now this one is red, and we are shading above. Oh no, that's less than 2. But that is x to the third power minus 1. And if I'm going to set this to zoom standard. And here we go. I'm going to change the colors on that. I thought I was matching the colors, but I hold on, let me change the colors because it'll confuse you guys on the multiple choice. This is actually the red one. And this one is the blue one. There we go. There we go. Wait a second. That's confusing. I hope you guys are paying attention to how I'm doing the changing the colors. So I'm going to come in here and go to light blue, hit enter, hit enter. I don't think I'm hitting enter enough. There we go. Perfect. So let's take a screenshot of that. One thing I want to point out is that your shaded region from here where they overlap, all this is the solution region. So that means, what that means is I can choose any x from this shaded region and plug it into both of these inequalities, and the inequalities will be true. In other words, the x that I plug in will give me a corresponding y such that the x, whatever this is less than this. Does that make sense? And also this, whatever I plug in for x, this value will be less than this y. Okay, for both inequalities. Now, if I pick something for over here, that'll work for this inequality, but it won't work for this one. And if I pick something over here, it'll work for this one, but it won't work for this one. So where the two overlap is the solution region for both inequalities.